So here is the Nectar Premier King Size Mattress. It's a bed in a box, as you can see. So I wanted to show you how easy it is to set it up. So first thing first, we got to remove that old bed of ours. We open the box, and inside you're going to see the bed all wrapped up. Now you're going to be astonished as to how they're able to fit a king size mattress in there, which is pretty crazy. So what it looks like is not going to fit all the way. This actually folds out, so don't be worried. This will fill a king size in just a second. So here, we're going to remove the plastic completely. Best bet is just to, hold it for one end and just roll it out, right? So once you roll out that first layer of plastic, you're going to see what I mean, and you're going to be able to fold out the mattress to fit an entire king size. You're going to see that here in just a second. But it is a lot of fun taking the plastic off. Here it is. It's now stretched out. So now we're going to unfold it. So that way now we have our top looking up and we are set to go. So now there's just one more set of plastic to remove. And then once you do that, the bed will then start to take its final shape. This probably takes a good 24 hours just to get there. But once it's there, it's absolutely amazing. So you can already see that it's starting to take shape just fine there. But I'm telling you right now, one of the best beds I ever slept on. Absolutely amazing. So worth it. So this is the Premier mattress from Nectar.
Hey everyone, so I wanted to leave a quick review of my new Nectar Premier mattress. Several things. This is probably a two-person job. I live alone, so it took a little bit of doing, but I got it up the steps where it's supposed to be. As you can see, they say give it a while for it to totally inflate. This is close to where it's supposed to be now. Inflation did not take that long for the mattress. I like the way it bounces back nicely. Made out of nice fibers. Let's see. Let me see if I can open this for you. I'm going to show you the inside. This is what it looks like on the inside. Again, nice material. Its recoil is really quick. Its recovery or recoil is really quick. You just keep it with the zipper there. Again, nice material. It did not take long for it to get to the proper size. I did try to lay on it once. So far, so good. Like I said, it's pretty interesting. It's heavy. It's going to take a while for it to inflate depending on what type of environment you're in, the humidity, the temperatures, and all of that. But all in all, as you can see, it's pretty nice. I give it, so far, it's a 5 stars for me. I'm going to put my sheets back on, but yeah, right now, again, it's a 2 or 3 person job to get it to wherever you want it to be, especially if your bedroom is upstairs. If you look at the pictures I provided, the box is pretty tall. So, yeah, you want to really be careful with lifting it. And to get it out, it's really wrapped in a lot of cellophane. So it's going to take a while for you to unwrap it. But you'll quickly see how it should be on the bed. Once the first layer of cellophane is off, you just, it's folded over. You just unfold it, put it in place, and then you open up the second set of plastic around it and allow it to expand. So for me right now, it's going to be a 5 stars.